Eigenlijk moet je die cijfers even laten zien.
Yeah.
You have to put this on film as well.
Yeah.
1.2, 1.4, 1.6. You understand?
Okay. So now it's been tack welded.
There's also a considerable amount of high-low.
High-low is 1 millimeter, so you have to. Not here so.
So they are not even because the roundness is different.
Roundness. This isn't out of round, and this is also out of round. So deliberately we do the weld head one turn backwards before welding for 2 reasons. Also there are different keys with different authorization levels.
Yeah, I told
in our own or
114.3.
whatever we want. It says here that we've got.
It is there.
Next,
And then wall thickness.
I went too fast.
always nice to show.
Okay.
Wireless remote control. If I push on the start button, it will start the
Okay.
gas. The counter runs down.
So that is now the gas is coming in.
Yeah. It's running gas. It's cleaning the
Not in,
hoses.
it's coming out around the cup of the valve head.
So now it is starting to find the amp.
Yes, now he is finding this reference. That's what we call upslope, and he is making a production weld now. You see some measurements are coming. He is approaching.
So this is
He is approaching where he is looking for, and there it is. You see? Yeah.
So now it is the penetration is okay now.
This is perfect.
Yeah, maybe this one is better.
It's better from this side, huh?
Yes. It's coming through. And there you can see that the amp is changing now then.
You can see the amps changing a little bit. Now it was running on the small part on the 1.4 and it's going to the thicker part now, and you see that
It's increasing.
It is increasing.
Yes.
I don't see anything.
Don't know, do you want to put it on film or?
57.
Metalen niet. If I saw it right, yeah, 7 minutes. And when you weld this, of andersom, deze kant is mooier.
It's very. But full penetration. Yes.
That's what it's about.
Well, some experience with ASAP also, and he said to me that what ASAP produced at that time was really terrible.
Now I find. Yes. Okay.